In this tab, you can manage all the information of clients, such as client number, name, contact, and email. Each record has a specific maintenance. Delete, which you can delete only if you don't have a load record. Documents, where you can upload documentation directly to the client. Edit, and the button to verify the information of whether the client is included in loads that can be managed. In the New button, you can enter a new client in the app. Once you click, you have the following fields: name, client number, here, phone number, email, a contact name, address, country, state or province, city, and zip code. And you click on the Save button. Once you click on the Load button, you can see all the loads assigned to a client with its number, name, pickup, and delivery date. You can also find the status of loads, completed, in course, and active. You can add the field of client, name, client's number, phone number, email, contact number, address, country, state or province, city, and zip code. When you click in the Documents button, you can upload the information in several formats: PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, JPEG, JPG to the client. You proceed entering a title and a description. Click on the Select File to select the file. Click on the Save button to upload the document. This window will pop out once the document is uploaded, where you can preview or edit. In the preview, you can download the file, and on the other button, you can delete it. Also, there is a search functionality for this model, in which we can enter any of the fields that are included at the time of creation. As shown, it filters by matches within the customer model.